Introduced in 1970 as a high-performance variant of the 914 series, the Porsche 914 6 combined a lightweight tubular chassis with a mid-mounted flat six engine derived from the 911, marking a bold step in Porsche's engineering evolution. Its limited production and innovative design have since made it a celebrated classic, embodying Porsche's commitment to motorsport excellence and distinctive performance. Car technical specifications and performance characteristics. Porsche 914 6, 1970. Engine type, mid-mounted flat six engine. Total displacement, 1,991 cubic centimeters. Maximum power, 125 kilowatts, 110 horsepower. Fuel feed, dual carburetors. Drivetrain and chassis. Drive, rear-wheel drive. Chassis, tubular steel space frame. Bodywork, two-seater, targa top. Brakes, disc brakes. Production period, 1969 to 1975. Performance. Top speed, approximately 210 km/h.